Hello my fellow vegan foodies, this is Katie and I've got a super tasty treat coming your way. Today I'm sharing with you my super moist and absolutely delicious vegan cheesecake recipe. It's so easy to make at home and perfect to enjoy with your family and friends. Leave a comment if you love my videos and subscribe to support my channel.